If you're building a website on Wix right now, there's a good chance it looks decent. But here's the problem. Most websites don't fail because they look bad. They fail because they don't convert. And most of the time, it's not big changes. It's small design upgrades that directly impact whether someone clicks, buys, or leaves. So instead of just focusing on how your site looks, the real question is, how do you design a site that actually gets people to take action? In this video, we're going to go through simple Wix design upgrades you can make that are specifically meant to increase conversions, whether that's getting more sales, more clicks, or more leads. And I'll show you real examples so you can apply these immediately to your own site. I'm Erin from My First Website. Let's get into it. Why most Wix sites don't convert. Most Wix websites don't struggle because of traffic. They struggle because of clarity. When someone lands on your site, they're making decisions fast. They're thinking, what is this? Is this for me? Can I trust this? And what do I do next? And if your site doesn't answer those questions almost immediately, people leave. That's where most beginner websites go wrong. They focus too much on making the site look nice instead of making it clear and easy to navigate. What actually increases conversions? So what actually makes a difference? It usually comes down to a few simple things. How quickly someone understands your offer, what draws their attention first, whether your site feels trustworthy, and how easy it is to move through your pages. The design upgrades we're going to go through are all focused on improving those areas, and the best part is you don't need to rebuild your entire site. These are small changes, but they can have a big impact on how your site performs. How to use this video. As we go through these examples, don't feel like you need to fix everything at once. If you want to follow along inside your own Wix editor while watching this, you can use our link down below to open Wix and apply these changes as we go. Otherwise, just pay attention to where people might be getting confused or where they might be dropping off your site, because even fixing one or two of these areas can make a noticeable difference. All right, so once you use our link down below to sign in, this is typically what you'll see when you first land inside of Wix. So right now at the top, you can see it says welcome, and this is going to be your main dashboard. So we're basically in the setup section, and this is basically Wix guiding you through getting your site live. You're going to see things like connecting a domain, setting up your email, designing your site, and getting found on Google. So this is where most people will start. They go through this checklist, they build their pages, they add their content, and they think they're done. But here's the problem. None of this actually guarantees your website will convert. You can follow every step here, have a site that looks completely fine, and still have people land on it and do nothing. No clicks, no signups, no sales, and that's because building a website and building a website that converts are two completely different things. Most people focus on just getting the site up, but what actually matters is what people see, what people feel, and do when they land on it. So instead of walking through how to build everything step by step, I'm going to show you specific design upgrades you can make inside your Wix site that can actually get people to take action. So these are small changes, but they make a huge difference. Things like what someone sees first when they land on your homepage, how your buttons are placed, how your content is structured, and how easy it is for someone to know what to do next. So from here, we are going to jump into the editor. So go ahead and click the design site, and I'll show you the first upgrade you should make right away. All right, so once you click design site, this is where Wix takes you. So you'll land on this templates page where you can either browse or search for something specific. So I am going to click on see all, and then here you can see there are several other templates based off of industry, off of type. So I am going to search for online store in the search bar and click enter. So the reason I search for online store is so that we get something more relevant to what we're building. And now you can see a bunch of different templates show up. And at this point, most people slow down here and start overthinking which one to choose. But honestly, the exact template you pick doesn't matter as much as people think. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one right here, because what actually impacts your conversion isn't the template itself, it's how you design and structure the content inside of it. So I clicked on edit, and now we'll jump into the site. All right, so now we're inside of the Wix editor. So this is the first section of your website. It's the first thing people see here and when they land here. And this section matters the most because people decide really quickly if they want to stay or leave. Fix number one, make your message clear. So right now this looks clean, but it is a little unclear. So I'm going to click directly on this text, and when you click it, you can see editing options pop up. And at the top, you can adjust things like the text itself, the size, and even the font. So instead of something like revert, which doesn't really explain anything, you want to change this into something more clear. So what I would do is I could write eco-friendly home essentials. Okay, and I'll make the font a lot smaller. Perfect. Now when someone lands here, they instantly understand what the store is about, because if someone has to figure out what your site is, they're already more likely to leave. Fix number 2, improve the button. Next, I'm going to click on the button and you'll see the button settings pop up when you click it. So right now it says shop now, which works, but it's very general. You can change the text directly here to something more specific like shop eco products, or you can even put down browse collection and then it'll automatically change here. So we can drag it so that it is very cohesive. Awesome. It is a small change, but it makes the next step more clear for the person visiting your site. The easier it is to understand what happens when they click, the more likely they are to actually click. Fix number 3, make the text easier to read. So now let's make this section easier to look at. So when I look at the text, you see options at the top where you can adjust the size. We already adjusted the headline to be smaller so that it fits the page, but you can increase the size slightly for the button so that it stands out more. So I can adjust the button size. So I just went to the top, then click on text, and then I can make it, I think like 21 is good, and then kind of like drag that out and then make sure it is centered. So you can also move it by dragging it slightly on the screen. But overall, you want the headline to stand out first and the button to be easy to see right underneath it. If people don't know where to look, they don't take action. Fix number 4, use Wix AI to improve the section. Now, if you're not sure how to improve this section visually, you can actually use Wix's AI. So from here, you can type in something like change background, or you can even type in improve this section design, and Aria will generate a new version of this for you. What's nice is that it doesn't rebuild your whole site, it just updates the section, so you can test different looks quickly without starting over, and this makes it easier to improve your design without guessing what works. And there's always the undo button if you don't like it. Fix number 5, change the background manually. So you can also do this by manually clicking the replace background at the top. So you'll just click on the home page, not the text, and then this will pop up here. So this image is what people see first, so it should match what you're selling. If it's too random or distracting, it can confuse people, so you can swap this for something that shows your product more clearly or feels more on brand, because if your background is confusing, your message gets lost. Fix number 6, add elements to build trust. So now if you click the add sign on the left, you'll see all the elements you can bring into your site, things like texts, buttons, images, and so much more. So what I love about this is you can drag these directly onto the page. So if you like this button, you can literally just drag it and it'll pop up over here. So there are just so many things you can do. You can even add a small line of text under your headline, which is already there. So you can definitely change this up. You can add the second button, like I mentioned, or even a graphic to highlight something important. These small additions help guide people and make your site feel more complete. And when a site feels more complete, it automatically feels more trustworthy. And this is what actually increases conversions. It's not about rebuilding your website. It's about making small, clear improvements like this so people understand your site faster and know what to do next. What actually increases conversions? So once you've made those first changes, this is where you can start leveling up your site. And this is really where most of the difference happens, because conversions usually don't come from one big change. They come from a bunch of small improvements working together. One of the biggest things is making your site easy to scan. When someone lands on your website, they're not reading everything word for word. They're quickly looking for what stands out. So you want to break things up. Keep your sections clean, keep your text short, and make sure your headlines are easy to understand. So here it says new in. You might want to increase the font so it is easier to read. This works because it makes it easy for people to scan instead of think. Another thing that makes a big difference is how you present your products. So this section is a good example. You have a clear product, you have a simple headline and a button. So that's exactly what you want. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just make sure it's obvious what you're selling and give people a clear next step. The simpler this is, the faster someone can decide if they want it. This is another strong layout. Instead of showing random products, you're grouping things into collections. So this helps navigate people faster. If someone already knows what they want and what they're interested in, they can go straight here without having to search. So this part is great because you can really increase conversions here. Adding sections like this, a sale, promotion, or something time-based gives people a reason to act now. So without this, people might just browse and leave, but when they see something like a sale, it creates urgency. Even something simple like this can make a big difference because without urgency, most people won't take action right away. Not every section has to sell directly. Sections are just there to build a feeling. So when your site looks consistent and visually put together like this, it builds trust. And trust is what gets people comfortable enough to buy, and this is where most beginner websites go wrong. They focus only on making things look nice, but they don't think about how each section is actually guiding someone through their site. So when you think about design upgrades that increases conversions, it really comes down to a few simple things. Making your site clear, making it easy to navigate, showing your products in a simple way, and giving people a reason to take action. Most people think they need to redesign their entire website to get better results, but in reality, it's usually just a few small changes that make the biggest difference. If you want to follow along and try this out yourself, you can always use our link down below to get started with Wix. They'll take you into the same editor so you can start applying these changes to your own site. And if you want more videos like this, where we break things down step by step and make it actually simple, make sure you're subscribed. I'm Erin from My First Website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.